Emma, hey Alex, what's the best place you've ever traveled to? Alex, Emma, that's a tough question, but I think the best place I've ever traveled to is Japan. The mix of traditional culture and modern cities was incredible. I loved visiting the ancient temples in Kyoto, the bustling streets of Tokyo, and the serene countryside. How about you? Emma, Japan sounds amazing. For me, the best place I've ever traveled to has to be Italy. Everything about it was just unforgettable. The history, the art, the food, and the beautiful landscapes. Rome was like walking through a history book. Florence was an art lover's dream, and the Amalfi Coast was simply breathtaking. Where would you like to go on your next vacation and why? Alex, Italy sounds incredible. For my next vacation, I'd love to visit New Zealand. The landscapes look stunning, with everything from beaches to mountains to lush forests. I'm really into outdoor activities, and New Zealand is famous for its adventure sports like bungee jumping, skydiving, and hiking. Plus, I'd love to see the filming locations for The Lord of the Rings. How about you? Where would you like to go next and why? Emma, New Zealand sounds like an adventure. For my next vacation, I'm hoping to visit Greece. I've always been fascinated by ancient history and mythology, and Greece is the perfect place to immerse myself in that. I want to explore the ruins in Athens, like the Parthenon, and then relax on the beautiful islands of Santorini and Mykonos. The idea of soaking up the sun on those stunning beaches while enjoying delicious Greek cuisine sounds like a dream. What was your favorite experience in Japan? Alex, visiting the temples in Kyoto was definitely a highlight for me. The architecture and serene gardens were so peaceful and felt like stepping back in time. I also loved experiencing a traditional tea ceremony. It was a beautiful, calming ritual that gave me a deeper appreciation for Japanese culture. Did you have a favorite experience in Italy? Emma, the Colosseum in Rome was incredible. Just standing there and imagining all the history that took place was surreal. I also loved visiting the Vatican City and seeing Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling. And of course, the food. Eating fresh pasta and gelato in Italy was a culinary experience like no other. Did you try any interesting food in Japan? Alex, yes, I tried so many delicious foods. One of my favorites was sushi from a small restaurant in Tokyo. It was the best sushi I've ever had, so fresh and flavorful. I also enjoyed trying ramen and okonomiyaki. Japanese cuisine is so diverse and delicious. Did you have a favorite dish in Italy? Emma, absolutely. The pasta in Florence was out of this world. I had this amazing truffle pasta that I can still taste. And the pizza in Naples, wow. It's true what they say, it really is the best pizza in the world. Any specific activities you're looking forward to in New Zealand? Alex, I'm really excited about hiking in the national parks, especially the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. The landscapes look otherworldly. I'm also looking forward to visiting the Hobbiton movie set and maybe even trying bungee jumping for the first time. What are you looking forward to in Greece? Emma, I can't wait to explore the ancient ruins in Athens and learn more about Greek mythology. Visiting places like the Acropolis and the Temple of Poseidon is high on my list. I'm also looking forward to island hopping and enjoying the beautiful beaches and crystal-clear waters. The idea of watching a sunset in Santorini is so appealing. Do you prefer to plan your trips in detail or go with the flow? Alex, I like to have a loose plan with a few key activities and sites in mind, but I also leave plenty of room for spontaneity. Some of the best experiences happen when you go with the flow and explore without a strict schedule. How about you? Emma, same here. I enjoy having a rough itinerary but love the freedom to explore and discover new things on the go. Sometimes, the most memorable experiences come from unplanned moments. Do you have any travel tips you've picked up along the way? Alex, always carry a portable charger and learn a few basic phrases in the local language. It goes a long way in connecting with locals and navigating new places. Also, try to immerse yourself in the local culture as much as possible, whether it's through food, festivals, or everyday activities. What about you? Any tips? Emma, great tips. I'd add pack light and always have some local currency on hand. It saved me a few times in places where cards weren't accepted. Also, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. That's often where the best memories are made. Maybe one day we could plan a trip together. Alex, that would be awesome. We'd have a great time exploring and experiencing new places together. Let's definitely keep that in mind for the future.